the spherical shots I have done? Have you seen that? Have you enjoyed it? Awesome? Yes, you got the point. Let's see what happens in the next slide. We are now going to make another one. Then, in a second, you will have to raise your hands and say thank you to this lovely organizer. Say, everyone, hey, thank you, YOLO. Raise your hands, raise your hands, raise your hands. Ready, set, go. No. Okay, then I have just taken another photo. I will share it after this talk. And also, thank you to E2ES. You have a cardboard today. I will share this photo on cardboard format. You will be able to see it on your cardboard. Okay? Fantastic. I can get rid of this stuff now. One stuff less. And then, who knows about Project Tango? You asked it, Pedro asked it, who knows about Project Tango? Really? Oh, and also you're interested in being here to listen more. What is Tango? Tango is combining 3D motion tracking, depth sensing, to give your mobile device the ability to know where it is and how it moves through the space. Whoa, what a nice phrase. But we're going to have a demo. This is the most important things. Let's see some very nice slides. Motion tracking. Okay, the device knows where it is, okay? And also the orientation and many other things, because in real time they are having information from these sensors. Tango has more sensors than a regular smartphone, okay? Lots more. Depth perception. Using their sensors, in that case an infrared sensor and a camera that receives these infrared lights, he can know what is the distance between you and the object, between Tango and the object, okay? And then also, if you combine both abilities, you can do what they say, area learning. I mean, you can start move around, for example, this place, and then it's going to be recording everything, and you can get an information about the place, because Tango knows all the time where it is, okay? The moment you start to use Tango, usually you give a message saying that please hold it steady, because this will be the moment where Tango sensors will mark the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, everything, and when you move, it will start recording the movements against this initial point, okay? This is called also SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. I mean, it knows where it is, and also it's mapping, I mean, getting information from the place. We will see in another slide that Tango is really fast. It's getting something like 500 million points every second, 3D points in the space. 500, we'll see it later. I mean, so fast. Okay, this is not a Kinect. Every you know what a Kinect is. Okay, yes? What is the life of Kinect now? What is Kinect now? Almost in the trash. Microsoft takes it off of the Xbox One because it's the $100 that no one wants to pay, more than the PlayStation 4. And they have to take out all the stuff from Xbox One. But this is not a Kinect. I mean, don't confuse it. It has more sensors, okay? And it's so different. Be careful. This has a laser. And it can record on many different formats. Basically, point cloud formats. This is strange names of how to record, how Project Tango records the information he gets in 3D. As you know, Android is not a real-time OS. Then for some kind of applications, you cannot use Project Tango. If you need it in real time, maybe the Android kernel does not guarantee you that you get the information at the correct point. You have to use other kernels, other OSs. But it has something inside the SDKs on the sensor that is recording every point he gets with timestamps and very accurate information. You are almost guaranteeing that, but you never can guarantee it till the end. And also another important thing is that it works best indoors. Why? Because to distances from half to 4 meters, because Project Tango uses a red light to get the depth information. And then if you're outside, sometimes the sunlight or whatever disturbs and they don't get information correctly. The Tango is not getting the information correctly. This is the same thing. Let's gonna see a use case. Where is my ibuprofen? Okay, I am gonna now try to make a video. Put a video. Let's. No luck. Let's use luck. Okay, Walgreens is the largest pharmacy in the U.S. They have thousands of. This is a company. What does is digitizes the places, shops, and they have done a use case. It's not deployed anywhere, but they have some pilots in several of the pharmacies. With Tango, they scan the surroundings of the pharmacy, and then they place in the database the products they have. Okay, and then in every chair you have for the shopping, they put a Project Tango, and then Project Tango is allowing you to say, I want to go for the ibuprofen. Okay, and then he knows what is the right way to go there, and using augmented reality, it's only one of the use cases of Tango, guides you to that place. Okay? It's only one use case, augmented reality. Okay? And also they use it to more sending you notification about products maybe you're interested in the way you go to the ibuprofen. This is the interesting point for them. Not only to guide you to the ibuprofen, but maybe, please get this shampoo, is on offer today. Okay? But the important thing is that Project Tango recognizes the place. I mean, initially somebody goes around the shop and scans it in 3D, and then with a database, you mark the places where the products are, and then using the Project Tango tablet on the carrito, what is the name of the carro? The trolley. You get the augmented reality over the real shop. Okay. The thing about Google Tango, it has many use cases. As many as there are lots of, and it's a little bit difficult sometimes. Okay. Indoor navigation using air and the navigation abilities. Fidelization, please. I want to do ibuprofen, but go there, get the shampoo today. Okay, then it's a stack. Sensors that allow you to understand your world, our world. Another example. It's not used in Project Tango, but it's an example of SLAM. No? Simultaneous location, okay, and mapping of the surroundings. And you will know what is that. What is that?
It's just an alarm you ignore it.
No, what is that? This picture. No one? But what vehicle? We are not in a Microsoft talk. What vehicle? The Google Draft, the Google car, okay? Google car uses not Project Tango, obviously, it uses lidars, and on the top, and he, with all the many sensors, he's able to know where he is, okay, the car. This is a SLAM, simultaneous, both things. You have to do both things, okay? This is not Project Tango, but this is a sample of we are, every time we are needing more to have our cars or devices or whatever, knowing what's going on behind, near us, okay? Understanding the surroundings. This was the word. Then, Project Tango is not a tablet. I'm gonna show you the tablet. I'm gonna make a live demo, but remember, Project Tango is not a tablet. It's a technology. It's a compendium of sensors and a stack of software. A lot of software, and a lot of sensors. At this time, the Tango is a tablet, but it's not a tablet. I mean, it has to be in the future in many different form factors. Okay. This is the tablet. It has very nice specifications, something like 128 gigs of memory, a lot of memory. Why? Because you are digitizing 3D points at a very fast rate. You need memory, okay? When you saw it, it seems like a $50 tablet, but believe me, it has a very good. Here you see in the more efficiency what is going on. This is the important thing, okay? It has the RGB IR camera, and the air projector. This is projecting continuously air, and then this camera is getting that information, and this is the way he knows what is the depth of something in front of you. And also they have a fish-eye camera, a regular camera, but with a fish and flash. And other things, regular things. I cannot over the nanos because when I get my Tango tablet daily from the people at Project Tango team, I appreciate. I call my operator, mobile operator, and I say, please give me a SIM card for the Tango. And when I received the SIM card, I put it on the Tango and say, oh, this is not fitting. They have an error on the manual, on the hundreds of manuals, thousands. It was a nano SIM, and they said it was a micro SIM. It was wrong. I corrected it. It was nice. Okay, fast. This is not actualized because you know you have another 6X phone from Apple, but Tango is the fastest on the market because it is scanning 500,000 points, 3D fully located every second. That's a lot of information. For this reason, we need a lot of memory and also a lot of power. Okay. Then Tango now is available in US and some other countries, but this is only from 1 month ago at $512, not expensive for the hardware it is. And hopefully in months we'll have it here in Portugal and Spain and some other countries. This is the list of countries that they have now Tango. A month ago it was only US. Now we have, I mean, you have a friend on France, you can ask, please buy a Tango for me and send me to the to the post. I mean, it's going to be available for soon for everyone. And this is not a developer talk. I mean, this is an introduction to a product, to a technology. If you want, Google it, and as always, Google is giving all the code in the GitHub, all the documentation for free. It's an open stack. You can use it. You can develop whatever you want. Okay. What's that? This is a drone, and this is a Tango drone with my Tango tablet. But this photo is crazy because it's crazy to attach a Tango 7 inches Tango to a drone for the size, not for the thing. Okay. Why I have this slide? Because I do a lot of things with drones also now, and I also like to mix technologies. And I am doing things with Project Tango with drones for 2 use cases. One is SLAM. I mean, if you put a Tango tablet in a drone and you can move it around in an indoor place, something like an industry or whatever, and you will map this place. And this mapping will allow you after for other users. Okay? And also another important use case is obstacle avoidance. Imagine we have to bring a drone from one place to the other, but sometimes something is in his path, okay? Then the drone will crash. But Tango will give the drone the ability to know that he's going to crash and send the information to avoid the obstacle. I will show you it for you to believe me. Huh? Oh, this is not the slide. I have many different laboratories at my home. And also, I am mentor of Google Summer of Code, as I told you. And then I use these laboratories with lots of students from the local university and other universities from Spain, and also people from around the world, because Google Summer of Code is an international program. And we do that kind of software for Project Tango and other technologies, like drones and other stuff I do. Let's gonna see. We have a problem with the internet. We are not gonna see. I will ask you, please don't use internet at this time. What's going on with the internet? Wi-Fi? Coming back? Okay. It is now another topic. It was internet in caps lock?
Caps lock, yeah.
Yeah. It has to be changed because it was not working. In the morning, uptake was not running. This is the reason. There was uptake wherever. Yeah, the hotspot was different. For this reason, the Mac has. Okay, let's gonna see this. This is with a peanut device, not with a. The peanut is the initial. Okay. The peanut was the smartphone, initial smartphone, I told you. And then this drone has the peanut, and the man moves it, but Tango remembers where the place the drone is, and he goes back again to the same place, okay? Okay? This is one use case only. I move it, but Tango knows where he was originally, and he returns to the same place. We are lucky because this man is not Enrique Iglesias, and he's not going to touch the drone. You remember that it's not a good thing to have drones in your hand. But this is a demo of what we are doing with drones. I mean, Project Tango gives the ability of coming back to a place, avoid obstacles and many other things with drones. But as I told you, there are many different use cases for Project Tango. Okay, now let's gonna try at least to use Tango. This is the Project Tango tablet, and you will see it. Oh, this is a 7 inches normal tablet. Yes, you can get it for $50 to $100 or euros on any computer store. Yes, but this has the sensors. Okay. Also, hopefully, we can make a demo. We need that. We're on time.
Want to put some sound there?
No, yeah, that's finished. Let's gonna see if this works. Come in. HDMI, come in. Hello. Ooh. 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 Here. I think we have a problem with the cable. I mean, maybe it's something wrong. No luck. It's the same problem we have with the other presentation. Something is wrong with the cable because we have tested it in the morning and it works okay. No?
If you have one, that's why you came?
Yeah, try to use directly this one. This one. This one. I mean, just to try. Because if I don't have a large one, I will be... it's the same thing that before. I mean, it's something. Maybe it's something on the. Yeah. Try again. Something in the floor, in the wall connector.
Maybe just hold it here.
Yeah. Okay.
See if it's there.
Hello. No luck. No signal. Don't move.
Yeah.
Stay. Don't move. Okay. Then this is a regular Android tablet. Okay. The difference is that I have here some demos from Tango. Okay. Let me try to do a demo. It will be funny because I have to move around the stage, and if the cable starts to do some strange things, the demo will not work. Okay. As I told you, the Tango, when it starts some software, it asks you for a hold it steady because it starts to record the place where he is at that moment, 000, and the other timestamps and so on. And I'm moving, he knows he's recording already where he is. And this demo, let's gonna try, is a curious demo. This is the measurement. Okay, you see the green point I'm going to put the green point here, and then move it here. And you see, it has measured the distance, okay? Here. Here. And here. Okay, then also you can move around because it knows what is the position. Okay? Okay. This is the dev learning. Mixing all the sensors and the software stack, he knows the distance, not only from the tablet to the object, but also he can, with trigonometry, he can know what is the distance of things. Stay there, don't move, because I'm gonna try to know how tall are you.
Let me see. It's exactly that.
You're is exactly? Yeah. Whoa, round of applause.
Well,
Okay.
I don't know about the V8, but yeah.
Okay, well, I have,
Yeah,
but it works, and it was his work very nice. Okay, you're a large guy. Okay, great. This is one of the demos. Let's go. We have enough time to make some other demos. Let's go rid of this one, and let's gonna try to make some. Wait. Sometimes it's not working very well because I think this is one demo. As I told you, this is on what this software is doing is recognizing the walls and the other stuff with a little small cubes. Okay, but sometimes the lining is not correct, and every time you go, this is doing something strange. Let's go try there. Yeah, we are gonna try again. Look, Tango is digitizing this area, and every time I cross it, he knows where everything is, because he's having. No, it will return. I mean, the Tango is working. Another thing is the screen, the projector. Okay, look, I'm digitizing, not with points, but with a little cubes. I can digitize. Andreu? Okay, but see, the Tango knows all the stuff we have digitized before is still there. Okay? But remember, there are no real software behind Tango still, because Google only gives you some SDKs. All the demos I'm showing you there are demos made by developers like you. This is not, Google gives no software, no demos. Just this week or next week, Google will release the prices of contest he has done, and there has been something like 60 real nice applications. There will be more demos. But Google is only giving the tablet and the SDKs. Nothing else. I mean, if you look for software to do something, you have to go to the demos, and those are demos, okay? Okay, still is there. And there was a slide that says error correction. If Andreu or imagine this volume is moved, when Tango returns, he says, oh, the podium has moved. Then he corrects the podium inside of the place. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to understand. Oh, you're being digitized, man. Look. Maybe we say Minecrafting, because doing that stuff on cubes is something like Minecraft. Maybe you can switch off these lights again. Okay, those are little cubes. Okay, let's go and see another demo. And so I told you, remember, those demos are made by developers like you. Well, this year we were at Google I/O, and the most curious place was the Tango booth. They made some really nice demos. They get they have some relationship with a toy maker, and they have something like 1 meter long guns, and then they have a tango on the gun, and lots of people were moving around, giving shots with the tango. You don't know how. Okay, what's that? This is a game, and I can shoot. But look, that if I move, I can move around, and I am held by the cable, but I can go wherever I want. And Tango, this game knows the space, and he knows where I am moving, and what is the distance and the perspective he has to show me. I mean, this is not augmented reality, not virtual reality. Simply, there is a place that has been ideated in a 3D world, and Tango is when you start the game. Tango knows where you are inside this world, and when you move around, when you move around, I mean, if my cable gives, I can go behind that and stay there. There's someone shoots me. There are some games I have seen that allows you to digitize your room, for example, and then place the virtual ROM inside the room, and you can go over your sofa or behind your bed. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's gonna do another game. But remember, Tango has many different use cases. Okay, this is the keeper staker. I like that. Okay, this is something like Minecraft. Okay, I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna make a little construction if the signal. Hello. Come back again. We were talking before with Victor that always the problem are on the HDMI cables. You have to bring more cables. No signal. I don't know what is, if it's here, is there. Okay, let's try it. Okay, as I move, the tablet knows, Tango knows where I am, okay? And I'm gonna start to do some Minecraft, okay? Look, I point to a square, and then I push that, and I add a Minecraft keep, okay? But as Tango knows where it's located in this virtual space, I can move around and do whatever I want from the side I want. Okay, for example, I'm gonna construct something, and I'm gonna show you a perspective from inside. Okay. Okay. Look, I am inside the building. Okay. If I stay for a longer and I make some really nice construction, I can do something like a window, or at least I can try. And we can, but anywhere, from the outside, from inside, because Tango knows where is related to this 3D virtual world. Okay? Okay. Nice. This is for open your eyes, because this is for developers. Oh, I can do that. Oh, amazing. I can do again Minecraft and sell it again to Microsoft for $1,000 million. No. This will not work. Let's try another game. And this will be the last demo. Come.
Okay.
Enjoy it. Just push fire, whatever. Nothing appearing on screen. Yes, here's. Oh, it's night. Move around. I mean, you have to taste, you have to try to get the sensation, okay? I mean, no more cable. Okay, it's the same, again, it's the same use case. No. It's the same use case. Not because, in that case, Tango is getting the position, the 3D position of the tablet in the space, and putting this inside the game. The sensors, these camera sensors are not working. I mean, it's the thing is, he knows where you are when you start the game, and when you move, you're sending the game instructions that you are moving inside the virtual world. He's so concentrated now. Look. Where are the zombies? Let's go start again. May I raise the position with the finger? Now, look for the red dots, these squares, and then move around them, fire them. Oh, that's the point.
Okay. So I just stopped running now.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
Those are a few demos, okay? We have many demos, and we are lucky because sometimes when you launch another demo, the software stack, or the developer has not done it well, and you get some garbage in memory. But the question is that you get an idea list of how it works. Let me try to do the last one. If we can do that one. No. Okay. I mean, you have seen the demo. This is another demo. We are not lucky. I think we can stop now and receive some questions. Don't worry. This is the demo. Nothing else. I'm ready to get your questions if you have one, and if I am able to answer them. Any question? Hands?
Hi.
Hi.
Thanks for the talk. I was wondering how is Tango performing in very crowded places, and if the answer is not so well, what are the plans for the future?
Two questions. You seem a periodist, a reporter. How it performs in a crowd place, and also, what is the future for Tango?
What are the plans regarding that scenario, that situation? What are the plans for that?
I've used Tango in many places with lots of people. It's not a matter of people. I mean, it's a matter of it recognizes whatever. We don't have a long cable, but I can walk around and digitize you all of you in 20 minutes. I mean, it's not a matter of being crowd. It's a matter of the distance. If you scan at 20 centimeters, it will not scan. It has to be at least well lighted, and also from 50 centimeters to not much than 4 meters. Okay, it's not a question of how many people is there. This is Andreu's question. Okay. Did you like the demo? It worked, eh? Nice. More questions?
Thank you. We heard about augmented reality for at least 10 years now. A few projects.
Augmented reality?
Yes.
10 years? Only?
2005. AR toolkit has been there.
Approach the mic to your mouth.
AR toolkit was there 10 years ago in 2005.
Yeah. You're lucky. I've seen augmented reality more than 30 years ago.
Yes, but at least 10 years.
Commercial products.
But only few products have succeeded, or only one has succeeded. Do you think the Project Tango will be the solution to augmented reality to the masses?
Project Tango has many different opportunities. It will be on the hands of the developers what use case or what abilities of the Project Tango you use to make application. You have seen the pharmacy one. I think it's a very interesting one. You can do it with a phone, maybe. Or you can do it with other technologies, maybe. Project Tango needs to have more form factors. They will be in the future, as I have shown the smartphones or maybe other little gear, more little and cheaper. It's up to you. What do you use it? I mean, augmented reality only? No. It can change in augmented reality. You can do many things with augmented, but there are lots, many more things that I have shown you because there is no time. I have at this time 45 seconds.
So how far are we from mass production? When will we have
What means
this?
mass production? Because you when the
Yeah,
places they are selling, you can get as many as you want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So it's already.
I mean, it's open in the places they are selling. It's open to everybody.
Yeah, but I mean for consumers.
No, it's for consumers.
Oh.
It's no longer close to developers. I try to explain this. In the beginning, something like 6 months, 8 months ago, it was only by invite. By invite, then you have to be a developer and say, I wanna make this application. But this is at the countries they are selling it. It's open to everyone, consumers and developers. If you have the money, you get the tablet. If you ask for 1 million tablets, surely they don't have it. but it's open. But at the time of the technology, it's not a consumer product. If this is answering you. At this time, it's a compendium of software and sensors that you as developers can do many things. Hardware will come in the future by the hands of Qualcomm, Intel, or whatever, or TAO, or Google. But it's up to you what kind of technologies or what kind of applications do, and then consumers will adopt.
So when do you think that the hardware and the software will be there for the consumers? I mean.
No, I told you it's there. But you mean
right? But you don't go. Any consumer goes and buys.
Yeah. No,
It
maybe
doesn't have apps.
I can answer you another way. I see no much than 6 months, but remember my words are always not the. Remember the Google Glass Galicia slide. In no much than 6 months, some big phone manufacturer will have a phone that you can get for not much expensive than a regular phone, but will have Google Tango technology inside. And this means that you can get millions of phones. Then you can make an application for millions of consumers. Any other question? Yes.
The SLAM or the mapping, is it local only, or can it be used by, for example, tourism? If I map my city, for example, I map Porto, can you visit Porto and access my maps?
Totally true. Those are the two things. One thing is mapping something. You use the Project Tango technology to map something, and then you get that cloud point. I mean, a lot of information in 3D, and then you get that information to a Unity or whatever kind of software you use, Android, whatever. You do your own programming, and you get to tourists with all the Porto digitized. There is an example, you can look it at Google, that a student that is not working for Google has a helmet. He was cycling around his university with a helmet with a peanut device, the small one in the front, and he digitizes everything, the surround of the university, and also not the surrounding outside, but also inside. Then he has a very large file that, hey man, do whatever you want with this for tourism or whatever you want.
So the Project Tango equipment can be shared, and for example, virtual tourism, it's
But you only need to map one time.
exactly.
The tourist has not to map. I mean, the tourist only need to have localization. You can make it with any GPS-enabled device, a tablet
so it
or a
only
phone.
has to be mapped once,
Yeah, of course.
and I can visit some place and it's already mapped and I can access information.
Yeah, that's the point. Yeah. Last one? No? Last one. Because we still have another.
Do you think that integrating Google Glass into Tango a good possibility?
There are
Yeah.
people doing that, but this is crazy stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
There are people doing that. I have seen some hacks and hackathons that are doing. Yes, but
those
as I told you on my slides in the beginning, be careful whatever you do. If it's a hackathon or something, some project for a week or two coding, enjoy it. But keep calm, relax, and use a technology. If you want to get some money in the future for that application, use a technology that is proven, and at least you see it will be in the near middle future for you. Okay. I'm not the boss. Another one? Okay, then you're the last one. Really the last one. Approach the mic to your mouth. No, it's open, but you have to approach it.
I want to ask if it's possible put their mapping on Google Maps.
Not on Google Maps, because Google Maps is 2D, and the information you get from Tango is fully 3D. I mean, it has 3D information. Google Maps is only 2D. Before, in 1 year or two ago, when you can send some information, 3D information like a building or whatever to Google Earth, Google Maps, maybe at this time this is closed. You cannot send any more type. Thank you. I need 2 seconds. Pick it.
So the other mic just ran out of juice, so this is gonna get strange. So I won't introduce because the man doesn't need introductions, of course. So enjoy the next and last of our talks, and hope you have liked it. And we just have one little thing to tell you in the end of this talk, and then we'll see you next time. Just a side note, when this talk ends, please don't leave. We have a goodbye note, and also we want to take a picture with all of you who started this community with us, and for the next events.